Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable low light boost in the camera in Android 15. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to enable low light boost in camera in Android 15 is pretty much easy. All you gotta do is simply open the camera app, and once you open the camera app, all you gotta do now is simply switch to a night shift, or you can simply do the contrast off, like low light vision, on your specific device. After you have done this, you can simply tap on the shutter button, and for a real-time low quality preview, some devices will also have like app support, which you may use for low light boost AE mode, or you can also use like Google low light boost. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you for watching.